The Sparrow and the Buffalo Story. Once in a green meadow, a buffalo named Ben and a sparrow named Sally were good friends. Ben was strong and gentle, while Sally was small but clever. One day, Ben wandered near a swamp and accidentally got stuck in the mud. He tried to pull himself out, but the more he moved, the deeper he sank. Ben called out for help, but no one seemed to hear him. Sally, flying nearby, saw Ben struggling. She quickly flew to him and said, "Don't worry, Ben, I'll help you." Sally called her sparrow friends, and together they brought small sticks and pebbles. They dropped them into the mud, making a firm path for Ben to step on. With their teamwork, Ben finally escaped the swamp. He thanked Sally and her friends for saving his life. So guys, if you like this video and want more like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.